Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve 8 divided 8 divided 8 divided 8. So let's start with today's video solution. When in an expression you have given same symbol throughout the expression, you have to solve it from left to right. So let's start. We are taking two terms together, 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 8. Now 8 divided 8 is 1, divided 8 divided 8. Now 1 divided 8 divided 8. 1, here we are going to use the KCF rule where K stands for key, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So what does it mean? Keep the left hand digit, change the symbol, and flip the right hand digit. So this gives us 1 by 64, which is the correct solution of this expression. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.